Greetings, my Jamaican people. Welcome to 876 Jamaica Topics. My name is Dave.
My name is Shan, where we will be discussing topics on tourism, economic, people, livelihood, government, problems affecting Jamaica, and more.
Like corruption and the things them affecting Jamaica. We're going to talk about the good and the bad. So don't just expect say we are going to burn out the government and talk all about the bad with them do. We're also going to highlight some of the good of Jamaica. You understand what I say? So viewers and subscribers, this video is just an intro to introduce ourselves, telling you what the channel is gonna be all about. So definitely we want to know to be a part of this. This can be the voice of Jamaica. So definitely at this moment in the comment section, just drop your opinion, your topics that you would like to see we talk about going forward, and we will elaborate on it. Because I know we alone have topic, you know. I know say we have concerns of Jamaica and see things that happening in Jamaica where we not even can see. So this can be work both ways. You helping us, we helping you. Alright, so in the meanwhile, hit the subscribe button, also turn on your notification bell. That means you don't miss a upload what we make.